Sunset Healthcare Solutions presents the NEB100 Compressor Nebulizer, a highly durable option that delivers rapid treatment times. The Compressor Nebulizer is easy to use and set up. Let's get started. Depending on which package you select, you'll find one or more T-piece kits. Each kit includes a medicine cup, mouthpiece, corrugated reservoir tube, and 7-foot supply tube. You'll also find 5 replacement filters and an instruction manual. Please read the manual before using the compressor nebulizer. When unpacking the unit, check all parts for damage or cracks which could expose electrical components. If you spot anything, contact your retailer. Before use, clean the surface of the nebulizer and the outside of the supply tubing with a soapy cloth or disinfectant wipe, making sure neither part is submerged in water. Dry with a clean paper towel. Now let's walk through the steps for use. First, attach the supply tube to the compressor output and to the bottom of the medicine cup. To add medication, push down on the cap and turn counterclockwise. Carefully pour medication into the cup. Put the cap back on and turn until it's secure. If you're using a T-piece, attach to the medication cup cap and place the mouthpiece and corrugated tube on the T-piece. Connect firmly and double-check that the mouthpiece is secure. Make sure that the unit is off by checking the power switch, then plug into a wall unit. Place the compressor nebulizer on a flat surface close by, not on the floor. Turn the unit on by flipping the power button on the top of the unit. When the compressor nebulizer starts misting, inhale the medication using your mouthpiece or mask. If you need to stop treatment, just turn off the unit. The compressor nebulizer should be used for up to 30 minutes and then stopped for at least 30 minutes. When you've finished treatment, switch off the compressor nebulizer and unplug the unit. Troubleshooting. If the compressor nebulizer doesn't mist or the mist is weak, make sure the ends of the air tube are fitted tightly. Check whether the nebulizer mask or mouthpiece cup chamber is empty or overfilled with medication. Check whether the nebulizer nozzle is obstructed. Check whether the baffle is inserted properly. The baffle fits over the medicine cup's interior cone. If the compressor nebulizer doesn't turn on, make sure the plug is firmly inserted into the electrical outlet. Make sure the device has been inactive for 30 minutes as the treatment limits indicate. Maintenance and cleaning. After each use, disassemble the medication cup into its 3 parts and, if used, remove the mouthpiece. Wash the medication cup, baffle, cap, and mouthpiece or mask in warm, soapy water and rinse well. Never immerse the supply tubing in water. Wipe with a paper towel and allow to air dry. The American Lung Association recommends soaking these components in a white vinegar and water solution once a week for 30 minutes. Then rinse and air dry. The compressor nebulizer filter should be replaced after approximately 30 hours of use or when it appears dirty. You can find the filter holder by the tubing input. Simply open the filter holder, dispose of the old filter, and replace it with the new one.